What's up, everybody? So check this out. This is my plan. Went to the dollar store and got these paper towel holders. And so what I plan to do is I want to clip off this ring, clip off the inner ring. That way I'm just left with my leg. Got 3 of these, so it'll be like my hairpin style. So what I plan to do is set these up, put these on this cookie here. That way, like I said, my beverage on, because you know, as it's cold outside, right, you got to start thinking about summer and grilling and beer. So I need something to hold my beer. Why not something real cheap and easy? I got this, these guys, like I say, these were $1 a piece, and I got this nice walnut 2-inch cookie. It's about, I don't know, maybe a foot wide or so, maybe a little bit less, maybe like 10 inches. But I got a couple of them. This one's kind of like plain. This one has a crazy narble in it too. So I'm thinking maybe, I love things that have imperfections, because we're all a little bit imperfect in some form or another. And that should go with our projects too, man. You're gonna make mistakes, it's all good, baby. But you know what? Sometimes you're gonna build the mistakes into them. Narble, boom, check it out. So getting started, I want to clip off that pesky plastic tag. So we got to get the big clippers, you know what I'm saying? We can't be messing around. And then after we get that bad boy off, I'm going to go ahead and get started on that outer ring. So I'm just clipping it because it's easier, right? I'm not going to try to maintain the most integrity on something you're not really going to see anyways. So after that's all done, then we're going to have to get serious, right? We're going to have to clip with the temporary soft jaws. That's just HDP plastic, right? It's just melted, I don't know, yogurt jars or something like that. I put some magnets, they're neodymium magnets, to stick on my vise. That way I'm not going to mar the surface of that quote-unquote hairpin leg. Yeah, air bunny. So we're going to go in with the grinder. I didn't want the haters to yell at me, so I put on my fire retardant shirt. So let's get it on with the second half of this build, you know what I'm saying? All right, so there we go. Now we've got 1 leg, 2 leg. Now we just got to do the 3rd leg, and yeah, the 3rd leg. Yeah. All right, but yeah, there's a little bit of scuff left over from the grinding, but we've got our 3 hairpin legs. And now I have these rings, which is kind of nice. Focus. How do I know what 3 equal parts of the circle would be for my 3 legs? Well, what I did was I put this guy down in a place where I thought that maybe it should be using the narble one. And then I just traced with a Sharpie on the outside. Then I used my compass to figure out where the center of this circle would be. So then once I had that, I drew a vertical line down the diameter of the circle going through the center. So this is 0.1. Then using the other side of my line that I drew, my straight line, you can kind of see maybe where that hash mark is there, and then do the same thing over here. So now I've got 1, 2, and 3. So now those are like the 3 center pieces for each of my legs. Random beverage. Looks pretty nice. Very like rustic, you know, like you're gonna be like shoving wood into the offset smoker anyways, right? You want like a piece of wood to set your stuff down. All right, but that's where we're at. All right, so we got it completed. This is what I wound up doing. Again, this is my own personal thing. This is just for, I don't know, not proof of concept, but just, I don't know, my own edification, I guess. So this guy's done. The only thing I did was I removed the painter's tape, and all I did was just, I just put some screws. 4 screws for each leg, 2 each side.
I did them at an angle just to hold the ding dong steady. That way they are secured in place and I can move them back and forth if I need to. And I can still make sure that it's level because I can swing those legs in and out. In and out. I don't know. You get the idea. But yeah, there we go. So now I can put my stuff there, right? I can put my glue. Here's a wrench. Now I got a little table. A little table, take outside, built it myself, $5. Well, like I said, it was $5 for the cookie. Although this should have been like in the irregular bin. I should have got like 10% off, like a dented can. Stay cozy.